Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Robinhood, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a trusted contact into your Robinhood account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a trusted contact into your Robinhood account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're buying and selling stocks with Robinhood, sometimes they need to confirm information, or maybe they can't get a hold of you. So you can add a trusted contact so that way Robinhood can contact them if you have some sort of a health problem and they need to confirm it, or if they need to confirm the security of your account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a trusted contact, here on the top right, you're going to click on Account. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on Personal Information. Once you do that, you'll see this menu, and if you look down towards the bottom, you're going to see this Trusted Contact. You can see I have none listed, so I'm going to click there. Okay, so here they let you know that when you add a trusted contact, they're going to reach out to your trusted contact in case you experience a health issue, if your contact information becomes out of date, or if they suspect fraudulent activity on your account. So you can go ahead and enter in their first name, last name, email, their phone number, and the address of that trusted contact. All of this is required except for the address. But if you're going to add this person, you may as well just add in their address, so that way Robinhood can mail them information if they're not successful contacting them these other ways. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, click on the green save button. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I've added a trusted contact into my Robinhood account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a trusted contact into your Robinhood account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.